Today on CLC, we're fixing strip threads. So this is the kit we're going to use, and we'll put a link in the description below. Going to use a drill bit, a tap, an installer, a helicoil, and a punch.
All right, so it's a little darker under the truck, so I'm going to show you how to do this out here, just in case it's harder to see once we're actually doing the work. All right, so the process is going to start with our drill bit. We're going to drill a hole, then we're going to tap that hole that fits our helicoil. Then we're going to take our installer. If you can see, there's a tang over the center of the helicoil. That just slips over the slot. So you're going to thread that into the hole. Then once you've got that seated in your hole, you're going to take this punch and feed it up through the bottom of the hole, and you're going to break that tang off so that your bolt can pass through it. Okay, so this is the bolt we're going to work on today. I'll show you with a ratchet. It won't tighten up. Just kind of sits there and spins. So we'll go ahead and get that bolt pulled out, and we'll start the process of installing our helicoil. So the first thing we want to do is we want to take our drill and our drill bit, make sure we're holding it as straight as we possibly can, and we're just going to run this up there and kind of erase the threads that were already there. Just make sure you're going in straight. Alright, so the way our hole is positioned here, I can't use just a regular T-handle like you would normally use for a tap. So I'm going to use a 1/4 inch ratchet with an extension, and I'm just going to place the end of my tap in the end of that. Just like so. Again, keep your assembly straight here. Just go very slow. You start to feel resistance like that, back it out, let some of those shavings fall out, and go at it again. You just keep doing that until you're deep enough to get your helicoil in. I would say we're probably good there, so I'm just going to go ahead and back it back out. You can kind of see there all the material we took out, it's quite a bit. going to do is we're going to take our helicoil. We're going to slide it over the end of our tool here. Make sure that tang lines up with the split in the tool. We're just going to thread that into place. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our punch, stick it up through the hole, and we're going to break that tang off, just like so. So once you got that done, all you need to do now is thread in the same bolt that you took out originally. You can see it snugs up real nice, just like it's supposed to. That's all there is to it.
If you like this video, hit like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, bye!